Good morning, class. My name is Madam Lenza, and today we want to discuss something about geography. And our first topic is going to be, you're going to be introduced to geography as a discipline or as a subject. And as you can see in our slides, we are going to start by defining the terms that are associated with geography. And the first term that we're going to define is geography, and geography is the scientific study of the earth as a home of a man. Or you can just say that geography is the study of earth as a home of mankind. And another definition is it is the study of interrelationship on natural and human phenomena on the earth's surface. Having defined that, we define another term that is environment. And environment is just the surrounding. What the external, it can either be external, but mostly is always external conditions that surrounds an organism, which has influence over its behavior. In simple terms, environment is just your surrounding. And environment is divided into two. So we have the physical environment and we have the human environment. Our next slide is branches of geography. And number one branch, okay, in branches of geography, we have two main branches of geography. That is physical geography and human geography. And we have another branch of geography that is the practical geography. It is a minor branch of geography, but very important for you learners. So we start with the physical geography. It deals with the study of natural, physical environment of humankind. The areas covered include like the geology. Physical is something that you can really touch. So when you look at your surrounding, just as we had mentioned in the environment, when you look at your surrounding, you'll find a lot of things that are tangible that you can really see. They are physical. You can really see, you can really touch them. So when you talk of physical geography, we are saying that it is dealing with the study of natural physical environment of humankind. Anything that surrounds you that is physical, that you can really touch. That is what we call physical geography. So in physical geography, we have the geology. So geology is the study of the origin, structure, and composition of the earth. It includes study of rocks. If you look at your surrounding, maybe when you're now outside the classroom, you'll see rocks. So the study of rocks is what we call geology. We can study how the rocks originated, the structure, what is its composition, and so forth and so on. Number two, what can also be studied in physical geography, we have the geology, that's the study of the origin, structure, and composition of the earth. No, sorry, we have the geomorphology, that is the next one, under physical geography. The study of the internal and external landforming processes and landforms. This one is in Form 2, you will do it, the geomorphological processes, that is the external and the internal landforming processes like the weathering, mass wasting, volcanicity, things of that sort. You'll have to study them while in Form 2. There are a lot of physical categories of geography that has been discussed below. So you'll find time and go through them. We look at number 2, that is human and economic geography. Human and economic geography is the study of people and the activities on Earth's surface. I think that is self-explanatory, the study of people and the activities of the Earth's surface. So the areas covered, like what we mean here is the activities that humankind do on Earth, maybe for their survival. We have mining, we have forestry, we have wildlife and tourism, industry, energy. There are a lot. that you can do. The next thing is, maybe we talk of practical geography. Practical geography just deals with the skills. It equips learners with the skills to enable you interpret and understand information. And the areas that you can really cover in practical skills are like field work, map and map work, statistical works, where we do the census, you know. So it is a minor branch of geography. I hope we are together, and having studied that, I want us to proceed to the importance of studying geography. Why is it important for learners to study geography? Number one, it facilitates good relationship among nations by studying geography of other regions of the world. It will make you not to hate other regions of the world, feeling like the other regions are maybe the other regions lack some things that you are seeing in your region. So once you've studied geography, you'll be capable of understanding, or you have the ability to understand the differences between the climatic regions of different countries, and therefore good relationship will be among nations. Number two, it's a career subject in that it enables one to go for advanced studies in specialized fields. Like after studying geography, maybe you won't just leave it here, but in your tertiary maybe learning, you'll want to proceed with geography. Maybe you would want to be a teacher, maybe you would want to be a geographer, a meteorologist, things of that sort. So those are what we call the career services. Another one, studying geography enables us to conserve our environment when we learn negative and positive effects of human activities on the environment. For example, when we look at forestry, we have deforestation, we have agroforestry. So after knowing or after having a good knowledge of the importance of environment, or the importance of this studying geography, you'll be able to understand why is it that when we grow trees, it is important. Okay, why is it that deforestation is really discouraged? And after you've learned the importance of conserving the environment, you'll be able to conserve your environment. So it will enable you to conserve your environment, having a positive attitude towards the environment. The next one is it enables us to conserve our resources when we learn wise use of our resources in conservation and management of resources like wildlife. It makes us to appreciate manual work as we are involved in practical geography, which may lead to self-employment, like I told you, in statistical works, map and map work, field work. You can end up having a practical skill that can later lead to self-employment. So for today, I want us to stop there. Maybe we discuss a relationship between geography and other subjects in our next class. I beg to stop. Thank you.